Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and today I will show you how we can boot this device into Bootloader. So to get started, hold power button and volume up, and from the boot options select power off. Now when the phone turns off, all you need to do is hold power button and volume down at the same time, and this should shortly take us to the bootloader. There we go. Now in here you can use volume buttons to navigate up or down, which you can see kind of based on the arrows. And going over the options, we have start, restart bootloader, which brings us back here, recovery mode, power off, bootloader logs, barcodes, and we're back to start. Now whenever you have an option that you want to utilize, like for instance I do want to select start, you will use power button to do so. And start will bring me back to Android right now. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.